Hello students, we now calculate the empirical formula, molecular formula. First we discuss in this example, calculate the empirical formula of the compound whose molecular formula is given out, and also give the empirical formula weight is about 83. Now suppose in students, the molecular formula given C8, H6 and O4. We already discussed in previous lecture to calculate the molecular weight. Carbon atomic weight 12, hydrogen 1. There are total 6 hydrogen, means 1 into 6, and carbon 12, total carbon 8, 12 8s are, plus atomic weight of oxygen 16, 16 4s are. Then we calculate the molecular weight of C8H6O4. It is 166. It is a molecular weight. Now we now this formula we calculated the molecular weight. Now we find the value of n. We find the value of n. It is used for calculating the molecular formula. It is used for calculate for the empirical formula. Suppose n is equal to your molecular weight now 166, and empirical formula weight given it is a 83. Then n is equal to 2, and our new formula, molecular formula, is equal to n into empirical formula. Molecular formula is equal to n number into empirical formula. Now we calculate this formula by using this formula, empirical formula. Your molecular formula C8H6O4. Put the value of n is equal to 2 into empirical formula. Then your empirical formula is equal to 4 carbon, 3 hydrogen and 2 oxygen. Means it is a divided by 2. The empirical formula C4H3O2. It is a empirical formula calculated by this. First we calculate the molecular weight C8H6O4 166. Then we calculate n value. This is the n value is equal to molecular weight upon empirical weight, already given by the empirical formula weight 83, and you calculate the molecular weight 166 upon 83 is equal to n is equal to 2. Then next formula, molecular formula, is equal to n into empirical formula. Put the value of n is equal to 2 and empirical formula C8H6O4 upon 2. Then the value of empirical formula C4H3O2. Now similar kind of example, molecular formula of organic acid, means acetic acid, CH3C double bond OOH. Its empirical formula. The molecular formula means total carbon 2, number of hydrogen 4 and number of oxygen 2. In the ratio of carbon 2 raised to hydrogen 4 raised to 2 oxygen, 2 raised to 4 raised to 2. Its simple ratio is upon 2. Then carbon 1, hydrogen 2 and 1 oxygen. It is the empirical formula of acetic acid. CH3C double bond OOH. Empirical formula. And molecular formula C2H4O2. Next students, numericals. A compound is found to possess carbon 40%, hydrogen 6.7% and oxygen 53.3%. Now in this numericals there are carbon, hydrogen and oxygen and their percentage. Carbon 40%, hydrogen 6.7% and oxygen 53.3%. First upon students, they would calculate it is 100%. Suppose add all these three, then we get the 100%. There is no remaining present of any another elements in this. There are only in this in compound having only presence of कार्बन, हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन एलिमेंट रहेंगे. इसमें ये देखने का स्टूडेंट से 100% नहीं रहता है तो हम लोग बोलेंगे दूसरा एलिमेंट आ सकता है, लेकिन बट आवर कैलकुलेशन इट गिव्स 100%. देयरफॉर ओनली प्रेजेंस ऑफ कार्बन, हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन एलिमेंट. नाउ second column, atomic mass. This 40 upon 12. Carbon atomic mass 12. Then we get the value 3.3. About another hydrogen percentage 6.7. Hydrogen atomic weight 1. The 6.7 we get. Next percentage 53.3. 53.3 upon 16 because atomic weight of oxygen is 16. Therefore, we get a value of 3.3. Now last column, simplest ratio. जो सबसे small value रहेगी, then divide the others. Then smallest ratio, in this smallest ratio, there is the value of 3.3. It is the smallest value. So divide by all this. 3.3 divided by 3.3, 6.7 divided by 3.3, then 3.3 divided by 3.3. Then we get the carbon 1, hydrogen 2, oxygen 1. Then in this example, carbon 1, hydrogen 2, oxygen 1. It is an empirical formula. On this empirical formula, we calculate the empirical formula weight. Carbon 12, oxygen 16, hydrogen 1 into 2 is equal to 2. Then total empirical formula weight is equal to 28 plus 2 means 30 is equal to 30. We calculate the empirical formula weight 30. In question having, we already give the value of molecular mass 60 and our formula molecular weight upon empirical weight. Then our value 60 molecular weight upon 30. Then we get the value of n is equal to 2. N is equal to 2. This value put in molecular formula is equal to n into empirical formula. Then we get the molecular formula. Now students, molecular formula is equal to n into empirical formula. Put the value of n is equal to 2 and empirical formula C1H2O1. Then we get the C2H4NO2. It is a molecular formula of the compound which having carbon percentage 40, which having hydrogen percentage 6.7 and which having oxygen percentage 53.3%. We calculate the molecular formula C2H4O2. Look this example, C2 H4O2 molecular formula. Calculate this way. Now next example. In this, calculate the empirical formula and molecular formula and given the percentage composition. Carbon 26.59, hydrogen 2.22%, oxygen 71.19%. In this equation, we gave the value of vapor density is equal to 45. Now we know about the vapor density. Vapor density is means molecular weight is equal to 2 into vapor density. Then we calculate the molecular weight. We calculate the molecular weight. V 2 into vapor density. Now our vapor density 45 means 2 into 45 is equal to molecular weight 90. We calculate the molecular weight 90. Now we are calculating the empirical formula weight. For value put we need the value of n is equal to molecular weight upon empirical formula weight. Then we calculate now empirical formula weight. We give the value of percentage composition of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, then their masses, percentage masses. Now this total value, carbon and hydrogen, oxygen, it is 100%. Then no another element present, composition present in this compound. Then 26 upon 12, we get the value 2.216. Then another 2.22 upon 1 is equal to 2.22. Then 71.19 upon 16, oxygen, percentage mass, atomic mass, percentage mass upon atomic mass is equal to value with the get the value of 4.45. Now next simplest ratio. Now smallest value 2.21 means exactly 2.22. Then 2.22 upon 2.22, 2.22 upon 2.22 and 4.45 upon 2.22. Then the simplest ratio, carbon is equal to 1, hydrogen equal to 1 and oxygen is equal to 2. Then our empirical formula, 1 carbon, hydrogen 1 and oxygen 2. Now calculating empirical formula weight, carbon 1, hydrogen 1, oxygen 16 to the 32. Then value, we get the value 43. 13 plus 32 is equal to 45. The value get 45. Now it is empirical formula weight. It is empirical formula weight. Now n is equal to molecular weight. We are already discussed vapor density into 2. Therefore it is a 90 upon empirical formula weight. Then 90 upon 45 is equal to, we get the value of 2. Then n is equal to 2. Our last formula, empirical formula into n is equal to molecular formula. Now molecular formula is equal to n into empirical formula, last value. N is equal to 2 and empirical formula C1, H1 and O2. C1, H1 and O2. Then 2 carbon, 2 hydrogen and 4 oxygen. It is a molecular formula of this compound. Look this. First we calculate the molecular weight molecular weight is equal to 2 into vapor density. Next, n for n is equal to molecular weight upon empirical formula weight. Therefore, we calculate the empirical formula, then its empirical formula weight, then we get the value of n, and last point, molecular formula is equal to n into empirical formula, then we get the value of molecular formula C2H2O4. Now next question, organic compound, oxygen percentage 26.24% and hydrogen 4.92. Suppose their percentage it is not 100%. We know about the organic compound having presence of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Means organic compound it is a mainly of carbon related compound. Therefore, we calculate percentage of carbon, 100 minus this, then the value of 26.24 percentage of oxygen plus 4.92 percentage of hydrogen. Its percentage 31.16% total. Then 100 minus 31.16% minus, then we get the carbon percentage. It is about 68.84%. Now first element carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Look in table. Their percentage 68.84, hydrogen 4.92, oxygen 26.24. Percentage mass upon their atomic mass. That carbon 12, hydrogen 1, oxygen 16. Then we get the value 68.84 upon 12 is equal to 5.74. 4.92 upon 1 is give value 4.92. Then 26.24 upon 16, then we get the value of 1.64. Now simplest ratio in this, the smallest value 1.64. They divide by the all the values. The 5.74 upon 1.64, 4.92 upon 1.64, 1.64 upon 1.64. Then we get the value of oxygen is equal to 1, hydrogen is equal to 3 and carbon is equal to 3.5. Now we always know about the 3.5 into 2, 3 into 2, 1 into 2, because it is in a whole number. Therefore into 2, then we get the ratio of carbon 7, hydrogen 6, oxygen 2 in the ratio. It is a molecular it is a empirical formula of the compound C7H6O2, because it is not in the form of point digit, means it is always in a whole number. Next example, Mg 9.76%, sulfur 13.01%, oxygen 26.01%, water molecule 51.22%. Then their percentage mass, it is about 100%. Then no other elements present. Then it divided by their percentage by the atomic mass. The 9.76 upon 24 is equal to 0.406. Then 13.0201 upon 32 is equal to 0.406. Then 26 upon 16 is equal to 1.625. Then 51 51.15 upon 18, because water already we have calculate oxygen 16, hydrogen 2, therefore 18. The 51.22 upon 18 is equal to 2.84. देन नाउ सिंपलेस्ट रेशो, जिसकी वैल्यू सबसे ज़्यादा रहेगी उससे वो क्या करेगा, हम लोग डिवाइड करेंगे. देन स्मॉलेस्ट वैल्यू 0.406, देन 0.406 डिवाइड, देन 0.406 डिवाइड, देन मैग्नीशियम 1 वैल्यू, सिंपलेस्ट रेशो. सल्फर 1 वैल्यू, ऑक्सीजन 4, वाटर 7 टाइम. देन इट्स एम्पिरिकल फार्मूला Mg1 S1 oxygen 4 dot 7 time water. It is a empirical formula of magnesium sulfate heptahydrate, Epsom salt. We calculate the empirical formula this way.